guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another Nailed It box. So I have done one other review of these. I got my first box last month, and this is a nail art box. So you're not getting nail polish, you are getting like nail decals and things of that sort. Now I am new to this whole world of nail art. I've always done my own nails, painted them, and maybe occasionally done like polka dots or something. But like this stuff, you guys, I'm really not very good at this. So the theme this month is new nails, new you. So let me show you what I got. All right, so I got another stamp plate. This one, the designs on this are huge. I don't know, they're just really big. And I tried out a couple of them and they did not look good. But this one actually doesn't look too bad. I just kind of used the top corner of this butterfly because it's like the whole square is huge. I mean, look at the squares compared to my nails, right? So anyway, but this has some fun little designs on it. These are little water nail decals. These ones you put on kind of like a fake tattoo, a temporary tattoo. You dip them in water, cut them out, and then, you know, put them on your nail and then put a clear top coat over it. I did a couple of these on June's nails. I did a sweater and one of the little deer, and they're super, super cute. And then I have 3 packets of these nail decals. So these are the ones that I have on my nails. So I did most of these nails and 3 of these nails with that. I'm not even gonna show you close-ups because I did such a horrible, horrible job. I don't know why these ones were so difficult, because I got these same kind of water nail decal things in my last box, and they went on super easily and I didn't have any trouble with them. I was like, wow, these are amazing, super easy to use, super easy to apply, and they look fantastic. They lasted like 2 weeks. These ones just look awful. I don't know if it's because of the design, like they're just less forgiving or what, but anyway, I did a really bad job. These ones are gold and shimmery, and then these ones are shimmery blue. I'm really excited to use these ones. I think these ones will just be super, super pretty. And then I also got these are charms, and I put a star on this nail right here. The ends lifted up a little bit, like I needed to curve it down more. Maybe if I had put it on a bigger nail, it would have lain flat. It is not lying flat on this nail, and so it kind of, the edges kind of lift, and I had a hard time kind of squishing it down and put 14 layers of top coat over it. I also got 2 nail tapes. One is glittery silver and one is glittery green, and I was really excited about these. Now with striping tape like this, you can use it to either, you know, you put it on your nail and tape over it and then remove the tape so that you have stripes underneath, or you can leave the tape on your nail and just put a top coat over it to create designs that way. So I tried it both ways. I failed miserably both times. This nail, I had like diagonal stripes on it, and the edges lifted so badly. It didn't matter how many coats of top coat I put on it, they kept lifting and it was not sticking. I don't know what I did wrong, but that was miserable. Also, the green one bled really badly as soon as I put top coat on it, and I wasn't even touching it with the brush. You know, it was one of those like, you could drop a glop of top coat and it just, the green was like, I finally just peeled them off because they were driving me insane. Maybe I need to do something special with the edges to get them to not lift like that. I don't know, help. Anyway, a lot of it is just, you know, figuring out techniques and then just practice, because, you know, getting equal diagonal stripes on your nail is not always the easiest thing to do. And I'm really bad at using my left hand to do my nails, so my right hand looks like rubbish. It's a wreck. I don't even know what happened here. It's like, I just don't, you know, look at it from back here because it's so bad. Oh, you guys. I know. I'll get the hang of it eventually. Anyway, I am really loving this box. You know, it's not crazy expensive and you get a lot of fun stuff. And I think especially for beginners, it's a nice way to experiment and learn the techniques of doing this sort of stuff. And then, you know, for people who are more advanced, it's just a fun way to get new nail art stuff. So anyway, I'm actually really liking this box. I just need more practice. I need to watch more YouTube tutorials and figure out what the heck I'm doing wrong. So anyway, I will leave all of the information in the description box. I'll leave a link to Nailed It box so you can check them out. Or if you guys have any other nail art boxes that you might suggest for me, or you know that you're using and you love or whatever, just let me know, because this one I think one of you guys suggested the Nailed It box. I think that's how I found it. So anyway, all right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video.